Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to discuss regarding material variance. So first of all, this material variance comes under the total cost variance under the variance analysis. So what is variance analysis? So according to the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, it says that cost variance is the difference between the standard cost and the comparable actual cost incurred during the period. So now what is a standard cost? Remember, standard cost is a predetermined cost which determines what each product or service should cost under a given circumstances. So standard cost is a predetermined cost. Now under the variance analysis, when the actual cost is less than a standard cost, it is known as favorable or credit variance. On the other hand, when the actual cost is more than a standard cost, it is known as unfavorable, adverse, or debit variance. Now let us look at the first component of the total cost variance, that is the material variance or the material cost variance. So the material cost variance is divided into two, that is the material price variance and the material usage or quantity variance. And the material usage or quantity variance is divided into material mix variance and material yield variance. Let us look at the various formula of the direct material cost variance. So first of all, we have the material cost variance. This is the difference between the standard cost of direct material specified for the output achieved and the actual cost of direct material used. So it's been calculated as standard cost of actual output minus actual cost. So MCV stands for material cost variance, then SC stands for standard cost of actual output minus AC, that stands for actual cost. Or the material cost variance can be calculated by the formula of standard quantity into standard price minus the actual quantity into actual price. Then we have the material price variance. So the material price variance is being calculated by the formula standard price minus actual price into the actual quantity. So the material price variance is the difference between standard price and actual price multiplied by the actual quantity. Then followed by the material usage or quantity variance. So the material usage variance is being calculated by the formula SQ minus AQ into SP, where the SQ stands for standard quantity for actual output, then AQ stands for actual quantity, and SP stands for standard price. Now let us look at this particular problem. It says calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance from the following information. So they have given you the standard price of material per kg, that is standard price for ₹4 per kg. Then we have the standard usage of material or the standard quantity, that is 800 kgs. Then we have the actual usage of material or the actual quantity, that is 920 kg. And we have the actual cost of material or the actual price, which is ₹3 per kg. Now if you look at the solution, first of all, the material cost variance. So the formula for material cost variance is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So the standard quantity is 800, the standard price is ₹4, the actual quantity is 920, and the actual price is ₹3. So we'll have here 440 favorable. So it means that the standard cost of actual output is greater than the actual cost, so this will be favorable. So the material cost variance is ₹440 favorable. Then we have the material price variance, where the formula is standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. So the standard price is 4, the actual price is 3, and the actual quantity is 920. So here you get 920 favorable. So it means that the standard price of actual quantity is greater than the actual price of the actual quantity, so that's why we get 920 favorable. So the next one is the material usage variance, where the formula is standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So the standard quantity is 800, the actual quantity is 920, and the standard price is ₹4. So to make things simple, if it's a minus sign, it is adverse. If it is a plus sign, it is favorable. So in this case, we are getting a minus sign, so it is ₹480 adverse. Then after that, according to the chart or according to the formula, the material cost variance should be equal to the material price variance plus the material usage variance. So now let us check whether the answer is correct or not. Now here if you see, material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. So from the calculation, the material cost variance is 440 favorable, the material price variance 920 favorable, and the material usage variance is 480 adverse. So both sides that you can see, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. How do we get this 440? It's 920. Since it is an adverse, it is a minus sign. So 920 minus 480, you get 440 favorable.